Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to play YouTube music in background. Let's get started. First, open your YouTube music app on your phone and play any song that you want. If you want the music to keep playing while using other apps or when your screen is locked, you'll need a YouTube Music Premium. With Premium, just press the home button or swipe up to go to your home screen. And then here, the music will continue playing in the background. You can open other apps, browse or lock your phone, and the music or song will still play without stopping. If the music stops when you leave the app, that means that you're using the free version. So, you need to upgrade the YouTube Music into Premium account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.